Higher and Technical Education Minister Dr. Vanal Thanatsuan vuin May ni som paruk sang ni som ni paruk injin ni khan Mizoram State University munpui turarot Lena Stadium bula ramrua ka ena helai mun ba ka hian lungleya mundang pali pangavel du thlantur omle theise du thu suin MZU Southern Campus alu umzuizel thu asoi Ministerin State University ramtura en chungchang ba ka hian RTI Act lo chana State University din tura sarkar malak na kalmek le Cluster of Colleges chungchang kan chui zaw na te kan ron tar lang do na ni Vuina Mizoram State University ram tura rot a en na hian Dr. Vanal Thanatsuan State University munpui chu lianpui tura ni lo rualin ate theilo tia suya Vice Chancellor, Registrar le Controller of Examination te Office tur le Quarters sak atul don thu suyin tundin muna asak na tura ram rot chin le na stadium bulamel te mi chu Main Road Etil Road atangin hla ati thu le apan na kong chu zimati thu asuya MZSU munpuya seminar le meeting poimo a umfo don awang le na stadium mangtu te anbeng chen lo the don lo awangin tundin muna ram rot chin chu remchang tok lo deuh nia hriat thu asuya hetiang ani awang hian du thlan thei turin mundang pali pangavel om theise du thu asoi Minister chuan MZSU din na hmun tur ram chungchang chu HPC Vice Chairman Hawin Soiho ni se adu thu asuya malak chak angai thu le project siam watwat angai thu suyin Vice Chancellor le Registrar Office sakna tur chu design sa thu asuya HPC Vice Chairman Hawa lunglei lamin ma an lak chak chuan sarkar pu in chak tak ma alak tur thu asoi MZSU in a huam tel tur Cluster of Colleges chungchang suyin Minister chuan lungleya institution pahnih te an tel ngei don thu le Government Jebuana College ero chu tundin hmuna an hmunhma ten alazir lo awangin an tel ve theiri don lo thu asuya hengbaga hian Higher and Technical Education Minister chuan Mizoram University Southern Campus chu DO letter manga ala umzuizel thu asoi bok Kansha Chew angin the Mizoram State University Bill 2025 to March nili sangni somni panga khan Higher and Technical Education Minister Dr. Vanal Thanan Hausa Pulutin member 10 an ngai dan shang an soi nuwa he bill hi lungrual takapasani a amairo chu the Mizoram State University Bill 2025 pasani nuwa le Higher and Technical lamin ruam man na chen khat an siam nuwa Mizoram chimlam abik takin lungle tlom ngai pol shang te chuan chimlam tan lungleya State University din achulan ti hle a atoi zongin hansoi ta ila lungleya pol shang ten State University lungleya din ani theinan na taka sarkar an norawangin Chief Minister Pulal du Omachuan Mizoram State University aizola din tumani na hausin alo pasto chu cabinet meeting in sutin State University headquarters lungleya da antum thu November ni somni sangni somni panga khan HPC conference hall lungleya apuanga hetianga an thuthluk na misa so sonani awang hian sarkar ding lai chu na taka be izui ni in politics e inpu mo na atam pha hle a hetiang boruwa kara hian State University lungleya din na tur the Mizoram State University Amendment Bill 2026 chu kumin February ni somni panga khan house chuan pasle ta ani RTI Act lo chana kanzo na Higher and Technical Education Department in Anshandanin Lungleya State University din na tur bill draft 2 Amendment Bill Drafting Committee of the Mizoram State University Act 2025 chu kumin March ni som panga din na niya April ni somni pani sangni somni paruka RTI zona Anshandanin drafting committee hi chumli thukhom to in draft committee thurel zongzong hi amendment bila tel alani ri ilawa amun thak na turle section pathum chau tel ni in he amendment bill hi 6th session of the 9th Mizoram Legislative Assembly budget session sangni somni parukin anpom to ani a The Mizoram State University Amendment Act 2026 po Gazeta Kubin Merch ni som pakhat khan ti chwa ani to ani Higher and Technical Education Department in RTI zona Anshandanin State University in Ahuam Teltur College Cluster chungchang hi amend ani ri lawawangin Act Masazok the Mizoram State University Act 2025 in asoi anga lakal pui shi turani a principal act a hian cluster tur college te ashan pa in zia ka omlova chuwangin ti danglam tur a omri lawani Ole RTI Act lo chana Mizoram State University chevel kan chui zauna hi a thui tham dewa wangin tun tumatan chuan hemichin hi kan du tok photanga hundanga kim changzokin politics e inbe na le thu in chu mek kan chui chwa na te kan ron ti chuak le don ani